Okay, so here is our snapshot of our micro-credentialing courses. We do offer two options. One is an online option and one is a blended learning option. And all of our participants do have to show competency to get credit.
And whether they take the blended version or the online version, they're allowed to learn at their own pace and have the materials ready whenever and wherever they need it.
And to show competency, we do have, we offer 3 courses with 9 objectives over those 3 courses. And those objectives are aligned to the systems level check 2.
And in order to show competency, participants can choose. They can do a data write-up, a video, or a photo essay.
This is an example of one of our spec sheets.
And by spec sheet, we mean the specifications for each particular course. So you'll see a learning goal, more specified behavioral objectives. Everything, again, is aligned to our state standards as well as the high leverage practices for special education.
And if you look at those objectives again, those are aligned to categories 5 and 6 on the green walkthrough guide. This is the rubric or scoring guide that goes with that last course. We do want all of our participants to demonstrate competency in the mastery column.
And they will have 6 weeks after taking our courses in order to go back to their classrooms, implement what they've learned, and demonstrate mastery. And at that time, they will receive a copy of this very rubric in order to receive feedback. This is a sample from a separate one of our 3 courses, separate from what you just saw a rubric for. This is a newsletter that one of our teachers came up with for her classroom that aligns with categories 1, 2, and 3 from the walkthrough guide.
And to end, we have a testimonial from one of our second-year teachers here in Special School District.